Ka training program berningkong yaki volunteers National Service Scheme NSS balajar kerteng Yuva Abda Mitra YAM volunteers kalakut no hakasa tarik nailar hari boy college. Ya kani ka training program la penyat ka State and District Disaster Management Authority da jing thumu ban pentebet yaki Samla College ban kener ki kiti jingerap ban pelaj em yaki mensim breu bat yaki yeng kisam ki mar ki mata lada jia bakhe bat kelang ki bor maryang kum ka jing shlei ka jing plu ki yeng kisam bat kham tam ha bakhe uju mai ba ha ka jing yalang penwa ya kani ka training program UDC Riphoy District Abhilash Baranwal ka kong balakenteu rani ADC ba BK Swear bat ka kong Dr. E Kharkongor Principal Riphoy College kila danlang ban ai mensim ye ki Samla NSS ha ka jingkran penwai UDC ula kentu ki Samla ban pendan kam kini ki jingtep bakila yo ban yarap ye ki para breu ha ka por baklang ki bor maryang ha ka nuga nuga por ula ongru ka jingerap ban pelaj em ki mensim breu ka dei ka thong jong ka disaster management ha keleng kari ha ki kam shakri pat ba jong ka ula kenturu ban pasat lem ya kini ki jingtep shiki we pat ki para Samla bat shakitu ki bakia kendu man kasni
I'm sure that over the course of 1 week training, of which we just saw the video, you have been given exposure to the different kinds of calamities, the different kinds of disasters that can potentially hit our district, and the tools and the skills that we have learned during this period will not only be handy to you, it will be something which will be of great utility to the entire district administration in pressing times. I'm sure that you all are going to be extremely crucial resources for the localities, for the villages, as well as for the entire district. My only request to you is that whatever you have learned over here, I hope that you do not have to use that. But nevertheless, try and somehow be in touch with the skill sets that you have learned. Otherwise, whether it is how to tie a knot, how to basically tie bandages, small details you start forgetting, and thereafter, probably 6 months down the line, 1 year down the line, you might end up forgetting most of the things that you have learned over here. So it is extremely crucial that you practice these skills whenever you get an opportunity. And how you get an opportunity is basically to make yourself available for any localized crisis at your locality. If you see any small fire incident, offer your services. If you see any unfortunate, let's say, near drowning incident, or maybe a small landslide, a forest fire. Forest fire is something that will be extremely critical for the district going in, upcoming times. So whenever you see an opportunity coming your way, don't feel shy, don't hesitate. Utilize the skills that you have been taught, because these are the skills that you should not think that it's only going to be of utility to society. It's something that can be a matter, a difference between life and death in pressing circumstances, not just for the society as a large, but even in your personal settings. So please take these skills seriously. Offer your services, offer your skill services now, whenever it is possible. And I hope that the future batches of the Abda will be as skilled as the first batch, and their success stories will be serving as a testimony to inspire the other batches as well.